Hello there, welcome to my question of the day, and I'm doing a little bit of a focus on indices at the moment because I'm aware that anyone that's started A-level maths is going to be doing some work on surds and indices over the next week or so, and anyone doing high-level maths, you need to know your indices without a calculator. Okay, so this question asks you to find the value of the expression in the square root without using a calculator. Just going to write no calculator there. Feel free to have a go at this and then check your answer. So you can pause while you have a go. So if I was doing this question, which I am, I think the first thing I'd want to do is work out what is 2 to the power of 6. Well, I know that 2 to the 5 is 32, so 2 to the 6 is 64, and 6 squared, I know, is 36. I notice they're both square numbers, actually, so that's kind of interesting. That might be quite useful because there's a square root in the question. I'm just going to put squares around them to show that they are square numbers. Okay, I think what I might do is I might work out 1 over 2 to the 6, add 1 over 6 squared first. So in order to add those fractions, I've got to, of course, make the denominators the same. So if I wanted to, I could just rewrite that as 1 over 64, add 1 over 36. And the denominator, well, I might as well just cross multiply because I need to get 64 multiplied by 36 as a common denominator. So I'm just going to multiply out, and I've got 36 add 64 all over 64 multiplied by 36. Now, because I was trying to find the square root of that expression, I'm going to find the square root of this now. And I notice that when I add 36 and 64, I get another square number, which is 100. And I notice that those are both square roots on the denominator. Now, when I square root a fraction, I can square root the denominator and I can square root the numerator as well. It means exactly the same thing. Now, there's quite a nice little law here. So the square root of 100 is just 10. Now, I can break up the square root of 64 multiplied by 36 as the square root of 64. Multiply root 36. That's one of the rules of surds. So I've got 10 over 8 lots of 6, and that's 10 over 48, and I'm just going to simplify that. 5 over 24. I'm going to look at those answers now because I know that that is the answer. I can see the answer C. That is the correct answer. So you might have done it slightly differently to me, but I think that my way is quite efficient without a calculator. Okay, more tomorrow. See you next time.